A double acting cylinder is getting forward stroke when a 3/2 way normally closed valve is pressed. In this application, the cylinder has to extend 1 meter length. The cylinder must extend 1 meter length. So you have to ensure whether the cylinder is reached 1 meter length or not, so that you have to ensure. Okay? The reverse stroke should be obtained by pressing another 3/2 way normally closed switch is pressed. Understand? See, we are not going to use the same switch. We are going to use another switch. When you are going to press that, it will extend. Then after that, when you are going to press, but before that you have to ensure whether the cylinder has reached 1 meter length or not. So you have to ensure that. So this is the explanation for this. So what are the components required? You see the double acting cylinder. Yes, double acting cylinder is required. Double acting cylinder. When you are going to use the double acting cylinder, what is required? Immediately you have to write this component 5/2 directional control valve. Immediately you have to write 5/2 directional control valve. See there. And then after that, in this application, the cylinder has to extend 1 meter length. For this, another one I am going to give, another one component I am introducing, roller valve. Roller valve. What is the purpose of roller valve?
Give a signal.
See, when you are going to use cylinder, if you want to find the cylinder position, whether it is in extreme reverse stroke or forward stroke, you have to place one 3/2. It's similar to 3/2. It is similar to 3/2 way push button type. It is similar to that type of valve, but instead of push button, here we are using the roller. The roller, it is not operated by manual. When the cylinder is extending, it will come and it will give the force here. Automatically, it will go this upward direction. This will come to normally open position. So that means if this is giving some air, this is releasing some air, because this is already connected with the source. If this is releasing the air, the meaning is something is pushing. When you are going to place this roller valve after 1 meter length there, for this application, when this is extending up to 1 meter length, it will try to push this roller valve. The roller valve will release air. If you are getting the air from that particular roller valve, you will come to know the cylinder has extended 1 meter length. Understand?
So you should put the roller valve
after 1 meter length. After 1 meter. Yes, after 1 meter. See that here, this is the extreme position. After 1 meter length, you are going to put one roller valve. Okay? The cylinder will extend up to 1 meter length. Then if it is extending, the roller valve is pushing on the way of the cylinder. See that when it is going to obstruct this, when it is obstructing the extension of the cylinder, this will try to push this roller. There is some flexible movement of the roller. It will push the roller. Then automatically when it is pushing, this roller valve will come to normally open position. This will give some air. That means signal here. Signal means air will give. So air will come from the roller valve. Then you can give it to some other application or some other valve according to our application. So we will see that. So in this application, the cylinder has to extend 1 meter length means to ensure 1 meter length, you need another component which is called 3/2 roller valve. So 3/2 roller valve is required if this kind of recess is there in your question. Okay, see, in this application the cylinder has to extend 1 meter length, so that's why we have included this roller valve. See, the reverse shock should be obtained by pressing another 3/2 way switch. See, when you are going to switch on that, then it has to go 1 meter length. Up to that you are keeping. Then when you are releasing that, it will not come back. It should not come back, because another 3/2 way valve is required. But see that here two things are there. For the return stroke, it is not only one logic. If you are pressing another 3/2 switch, it is not coming. You have to ensure, before that you have to ensure 1 meter length it is achieved or not. 1 meter length is achieved or not, you have to find. So there are two things. One signal should come from the roller valve and another signal should come from where? Another 3/2 way switch. So there are two things. So that's why if two things are must, which valve should use? Which valve we have to use? No, there are two signals required. The two signals are required to get one output. Which type of valve is there? AND gate, which is otherwise called as dual pressure valve. Dual pressure valve means it is AND gate. See, before that I am going to 3x2 roller valve, and there are 3x2 base switch, two numbers, correct? 3x2 base switch, two numbers, correct? Then AND gate I will include after that. See, the first rough work will do that. Why AND gate is, once again I will explain. Okay? See, concentrate here. So it's one of the important problem. Please concentrate, my dear friend. My dear friend, please concentrate here. See, when I am going to use this circuit, see the rough work I am going to make. Rough work. See, you have to place one 3x2 switch. 3x2. Okay? 3x2 switch I am going to place. See, definitely there is a double acting cylinder. This one you know that. And you have to place the double acting cylinder means one directional control valve. Which directional control valve? 5x2 directional control valve. If I am going to give input here, this will give input here, it will extend. You have to ensure 1 meter length is achieved or not. Then you have to place one roller valve here, one roller valve here. So this one will give. So this roller valve, once again I am going to draw here, roller valve. Once again, so the same thing. This roller valve I have drawn here. This roller valve is giving input. If it is extending 1 meter length, it will give. This is coming. And see the logic. In this application, the cylinder has to extend 1 meter length. The reverse stroke should be obtained by pressing another 3x2 base switch. Another 3x2 base switch means I am going to place another 3x2 base switch. Another 3x2. This both the things, if it is coming, then only it should come back. If this roller valve is giving input, it should not come back. If I am pressing this, it should not come back. If I am pressing this, that air should go and should stand somewhere else. After coming the signal from roller valve, then only it should extend. Or the roller valve signal is coming first, it has to wait up to what?
Reach 1 meter.
Up to I am pressing another 3x2 switch. Understand?
Yes.
Up to I am pressing the another 3x2 switch to go back. So both the things should happen to get back. Understand? What 1 meter length it has to achieve? I have to press another switch. There is a 2 signal required to get reverse stroke. Understand? If 2 signal required means 2 signal is must means you have to go for AND gate. AND gate logic is 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. See there. This time only it will give output. Other places, if any one signal is coming, it will not give any output. So that's what we are having one valve which is called as dual pressure valve. Dual pressure. Both the sides you have to. Dual pressure valve. Dual pressure valve means AND gate valve. This is otherwise called as AND gate valve. So this one we are using. Then both the signals are coming means if you are going to give it to the 5x2, it will come back. See there. So this rough work will satisfy. See, when you are going to press the 3x2, it will go to 5x2, then it will go here, it will extend. Then when it is extending to 1 meter length, it will push the roller valve. The roller valve will give to dual pressure valve, and then another side 3x2 switches we are giving, and then both the sides if we are giving, then it will go to 5x2. So I am going to draw the circuit. So understood this rough work? Understood? So I am going to draw this circuit using the symbols. Okay? See, that's why I am adding another one. See there, AND gate also. AND gate valve. AND gate valve means dual pressure valve. Dual pressure valve. So this one also we are including in the circuit. See, this is the component list. This is the rough work. Now I am going to use the symbols to draw the circuit. Can I erase this? This one I hope you know. See, I am going to draw the circuit. The first one, 3x2 base switch. Here I am going to place one 3x2 base switch. This is push button. Here I mark. This is the spring return. I am going to join. This one is the 5x2 wave valve. 5x2 wave valve. 1 to 2, 4 to 5. Then 1 to what? 1 to 4. 5 will be dummy. The 2 to 3 will be the exhaust. This is the exhaust. And then after that you are going to give it to the cylinder. This is always I have to connect here. Please keep here. Keep silent. Please see here. See that this one is satisfying the forward stroke. I am going to give name of this. See, there's some name you give. Roller ball name. What name I have to give? Huh? One switch name I am giving to you. This one, suppose I am going to give it is a 1S2. You assume 1S2 or something that 1S2 now I am giving. Then after that I will tell how to name the components. Okay? 1S2. Then here 1S2 I am going to draw 1S2. This one. And this is the source. This is exhaust. This one. Then there is a roller ball. This is the symbol for roller ball. This is the symbol for roller ball. This one I am going to connect with AND gate. This is the AND gate symbol. This is the AND gate symbol. AND gate symbol. And another one. See that here 3/2. Then another push button is required. 3/2 way push button is required. This is going upward direction. See that this is another push button. This one also it's going here to AND gate. This is called AND gate valve. AND gate valve. See that the output of the AND gate valve we are giving to where? We are giving to 5/2 to get the reverse stroke. Okay? To get the reverse stroke. You see that? This is one valve, 3/2 way switch, 3/2 way switch. This is 5/2 way switch, way valve, not switch. This is valve, and this is cylinder. This is cylinder, and this is called roller valve. Roller valve. The same roller valve I have 3/2 roller valve. 3/2 roller valve. This 3/2 roller valve I have given here, and this is called switch. Another 3/2 switch. 3/2 normally closed switch. This is spring return. This is spring return. 3/2 switch, normally closed switch, and this is another one valve, and it is giving. See. Now this is satisfying. Now I am introducing another thing, how to give the name of the components. Name of the components. Please concentrate here. Please concentrate. Name of the components. See, when you are going to use the cylinders, suppose in one application there are 2 cylinders, 3 cylinders, you have to take 1A, 2A, 3A, like that. Okay? 4 cylinder, 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A. There are 2 cylinders, 1A, 2A. 1 cylinder, it's 1A. See, this one I am going to put 1A. Okay? This is the name of the cylinder. For the first cylinder, only one cylinder we are using. For this cylinder only, all the switches and valves we are using. Okay? If we are using, this is the first switch. If you are considering this is the first switch of this application, we are going to put switch 1 for the cylinder 1A, for the cylinder 1. That's why this is called 1S1. Understand? Name of this valve is what? 1S1. See, this is what? It is not a switch. It is a valve. It's not a switch. It's a valve. So, valve means you have to put valve. V. Valve 1. For the cylinder 1, you can take valve 1 for the cylinder 1, 1V1. Again, this roller valve is coming as switch. This is acting as switch. This is the second switch. So I am going to put the switch 2 For the cylinder, which cylinder? One cylinder, so 1s2 I am going to put. Same 1s2 only I have done here. This is also 1s2. Okay? See there. This is 1s3. This is also switch, another 3x2 switch. So you have to add this 1s3. See that this is AND gate valve. This is not a switch, this is valve. That's why already we used valve 1. Here we have to use valve 2. So valve 2 for the cylinder 1. Then this is the 1V2. This is your 1V2. So this way you have to give the name of the components. The switches means switch 1 for the cylinder 1, switch 2 for the cylinder 2, switch 3 for the cylinder 3. So this one is calling, this one is S3 means switch 3. Switch 3 for the cylinder 1. If you are adding in an application, 2 cylinders, 3 cylinders are coming means the second cylinder valve is you have to give 2V1, 2V2, 2V3. Then 2S1, 2S2, 2S3. Like that you have to go for the second cylinder. Okay? The first cylinder here only one cylinder. That's why see they are all starting with 1. But switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, valve 1, valve 2, valve 3. So like that we have given the name of the switches and components. Okay? So understood this? Okay. See, can I erase this? Rough work I am erasing. See another one term I am introducing here, displacement diagram. Displacement diagram. You know displacement diagram? Displacement diagram. Displacement diagram, what is the meaning of displacement diagram? The graphical representation of the piston extension and reverse stroke we are showing using the displacement diagram. Displacement diagram, displacement diagram. Displacement diagram of the cylinder. Concentrate here, backside. Backside, concentrate. Displacement diagram. How to draw the displacement diagram? What are the switches involved? And then when it is going upward means forward stroke. When it is coming back, that is called reverse stroke. In the displacement diagram, we are saying the position. One is the forward stroke, extreme forward stroke. Position 0 is the extreme reverse stroke. Okay. See this one. See there. Here I am going to take it as a 0. This one, another one, I am going to take it as 1. What is the meaning of 0 and 1? 0 and 1. What is the meaning of 0 and 1?
1 is forward.
1 is for forward stroke. This is for reverse stroke. This 0 is for reverse stroke. Representation of reverse stroke. Okay, this one is I am going to make this continuous line. The first question, initial question. What will be the initial question? What will be the initial question? Extreme reverse stroke. Extreme reverse stroke means it is 0 position. Okay, this is the position of this problem. In this problem, when you are not operating the circuit, the cylinder piston will lie in the extreme reverse position. So it will be in the extreme reverse position. This is indicating extreme reverse position. When you are going to see there all the switches you have to indicate. When you are going to switch on this 1S1, the switches only here you give. So some special valves you can include here. When you are going to press the switch 1, it is getting forward stroke. When it is getting forward stroke, it's going to where it is going to press 1S2 will be pressed. See here. Here I am going to put 1S2. 1S2 is pressing. When 1S2 is pressing, is it coming back? No. You need another switch which is called as 1S3. See that there are two switches. Two switches if it is activating, then it will come back. It will come back to next position. So this is if you are going to take 0%, this is the first position. Okay, this if you are taking this is the first position. Normally initial position we are taking as 0%. Then it is this is coming as first position and this is coming as second position. The 0 position is the extreme reverse stroke. First position is the extreme forward stroke. Then second position is again coming to the extreme reverse stroke. One cycle you have to represent in displacement diagram. In the displacement diagram, one cycle. one cycle of the process you have to explain in the displacement diagram. Okay? Understand displacement diagram. What is the meaning of displacement? See there, once again I am explaining. The 0 is indicating reverse stroke and 1 is indicating forward stroke. First you have to mark a point, the initial position. Mark the point using, what will be the initial position, you have to mark the point. At the time which switch is required to push forward stroke, here 1S1 is required to push the forward stroke, that's why I am indicating the 1S1 also. If I am pushing this 1S1, it's getting forward stroke, it is achieving the extreme forward stroke, and in the extreme forward stroke it is going to press 1S2. If it is pressing 1S2, it is not enough to come back, you need two signals, both the signals 1S2 and also 1S3. So that's why I am including 1S3 also here. Then 1S2 and 1S3 is pressing, then again it will come back, it will achieve extreme reverse stroke. So this is the one cycle of the process. This you have to explain using the displacement diagram. Okay? Yes. Any doubt in this regard? Two switches. See that? Two switches are required, no? Two switches. So if you are pressing this, the air will come and stay here. If you are pressing this, then only it will join together, it will come out because that is the anti-gate logic. Any doubt in this regard? My dear friend, tell me.
If we change that's a switch.
Which one? Why do you need pressure sequence? We are not going to check how much amount of the pressure is there in the return stroke or forward stroke. So there is no need of pressure sequence valve. Pressure sequence valve is a special valve in which we are checking how much amount of the pressure is inside the cylinder. If it is achieving that much amount of the pressure, then only it will get the forward stroke, or when you are getting the forward stroke, that much amount of the pressure should come. So to ensure that you are using the pressure sequence valve. So there is no word in this problem.
Another question.
For another question, here you don't want pressure sequence valve. Why are you unnecessarily including the pressure sequence?
If we ask within the pressure sequence in question, mention.
Mention means you can include. You have to include.
How do we make it?
That way I am coming in the next slide.
Now the limit is here. 1 meter. 1 meter or 1 millimeter.
1 meter. Yes. This one here you can see here. From here to here, you can say 1 meter length. It has to extend 1 meter length. No, here you can include, if you are including that, that means 1 meter length it is extended. Okay? Any other doubt? Can I erase? One more problem I will solve. Only 15 minutes more. 15 to 20 minutes. Okay? Can I erase this? Understood? Copied? Then I already you are having. Correct? Okay.